Hi everyone, welcome to Rebath the Heartland and our social media pages. I'm Dana, the marketing manager, here with Kim, our sales and design manager and designer extraordinaire.
Hello.
And we are here today because as a nationwide brand with over 125 locations and 40 years of experience, we are able to do wonderful things for our customers, like provide the Effortless magazine, which is a design magazine that features different articles on bathroom remodeling and also some information on some of the products that we provide and some of the national partnerships that we hold. One of the national partnerships we hold is Moen. And with our Moen fixtures, we do have them in lots of colors and shapes, sizes, design styles. But one of the things that the Effortless this time around addresses is on page 28, how to mix metals.
Well, we mix metals for a couple of different reasons. Number one, it's going to give your room balance. It's also going to provide a unique and personal feel just for your space. Mm-hmm. There are a couple of do's and don'ts that I'd love to go over and help with our audience as well. But one of the things that I'd really like to point out is one of the do's. We have a couple of different options, but right here we have what's our matte black and chrome, which would look beautiful together. Mm-hmm. So we want to make sure that we're picking just one dominant color, right? Yeah. So for instance, let's say that it is the chrome. So we want to make sure that all of our accessories stay in that color, but maybe our shower valve and our faucets would stay the other color. It looks really nice, and again, kind of gives that balance effect. Also, knobs on your vanity tops would be in the accessory color too. Mm-hmm.
So one of the basic rules for mixing metals is same function equals same finish. You would never put the valve to your shower to be the same color as your accessories. Actually, you would do something different. Also, another thing to think of with the metals is the finish on the metals. While black has its own finish, it's usually considered a safe bet because just like with clothes, black goes with anything. Little black dress. It is the little black dress of mixing metals. You can put it with anything. Mm-hmm. But if you are mixing metals with different finishes, you wouldn't do a chrome and a brushed nickel.
No.
As you can see, they're both of the same color palette, but one is shiny and one is dull. And that actually will create a tension in the look that you're trying to create.
I would say if you were wanting to mix metals, you could do black as your safe bet, just like you were talking about the little black dress. Black and brushed nickel look great together, like our example with chrome. And brushed gold is kind of new, popular, trendy. We see a lot of that. This will give a really cool effect. And I don't know, I mix metals with my jewelry, so why not do it in the bathroom?
I am today. I'm mixing metals all over the place. And another thing, when you get to some of these metals, like the brushed gold, like she was saying, these two look really good together. The faucets and the accessories that we have in brushed gold through Moen tend to be a lot more expensive. So if you're looking to bring down the cost of the room, get a professionally designed look and something that really looks outstanding, you could get the same ones in matte black or something similar that is a lower cost line, and then use this for your accessories. It'll bring it down and it'll look really high end.
Yes, it will. Any other tips for what we should do when we're trying to mix metals?
Well, other than the finishes, I would say don't overdo it. I mean, you don't want to put more than 3 metals in a room. If you are looking at a bathroom that has oil rub bronze already in it, say your hinges and your doorknobs are oil rub bronze because that's what was in there when you built the house.
Sure.
That counts as a metal. So you don't want to go and put gold, black, chrome, all in that space.
Right.
You probably want to take away the darkest one and just do a lot of ones where it kind of is different. They're all a little bit different and not too close together.
Also, another thing is that I wouldn't recommend trying to put something cold with warm colors. So let's say you have a traditional feel in your home. Probably not going to go with a matte black. This is a little bit more, I would say, modern, maybe a transitional. But again, if you're a little bit more traditional, you have maybe some stained oak, some nice dark, deep, rich woods, things like that. A brushed gold would look beautiful, oil rub bronze, and maybe even putting a little bit of brushed nickel in there. These three to me are a little bit more warmer.
Yeah.
And that would stick with more of those like warmer types of tones.
Yeah. I agree with that.
And the same thing goes for maybe something a little bit more modern. Just like if you guys are able to stop into our showroom, we have a couple of beautiful displays in here, and one of our modern ones, which is a little bit more, shows off what we're talking about today. It's very modern. It has the concrete. Inside of the showers are matte black, and then we also paired it with the brushed nickel. So if you're looking for maybe colder colors, even the chrome, these three colors would look, well, these two would look good. And these two would look good.
But you gotta keep with that same finish rule. So the silvers, the two silvers together are not a safe bet.
Not a safe bet. No.
So I would definitely recommend, if you have any questions on mixing your metals or what you should do with your design, definitely give us a call. We run design appointments Monday through Saturday. We do evenings, and our designers all have access to Effortless, so they're up to date with what our corporate interior designer has been teaching as far as design trends.
Yep, and these magazines are available in our showroom, so if you want to pop in, maybe get some inspiration, take an Effortless magazine home, we'd be more than happy to provide that for you.
Absolutely, and remember, it's page 28, and we'll be seeing you.
Bye, thank you.